Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that every one of us has faced. Something that often breaks us, but can also make us stronger. Failure. Failure is not the end of the road. It is the beginning of a new journey. Every successful person we admire today has walked through the valley of failure before reaching the mountain of success. Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Imagine if he had given up after the first few tries. We might still be living in the dark. Failure is not a signal to stop. It's a lesson, a teacher, and a mirror that reflects what we need to improve. The truth is, success doesn't teach us as much as failure does. Success makes us comfortable, but failure pushes us to grow. Think about great athletes, scientists, entrepreneurs, from Michael Jordan to J.K. Rowling. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, yet he became the greatest basketball player in history. J.K. Rowling faced rejection from 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. What made them different? They didn't let failure define them. They used failure as fuel. So the next time you fail, don't say, "Why me?" Say, "Try me." Because every failure carries the seed of a greater success. If only we have the courage to keep going. Remember, the road to success is paved with failures, but every failure you overcome takes you one step closer to your dream. So don't fear failure. Embrace it, learn from it, and rise stronger every time you fall. Because success is not about never falling. It's about rising every time you do. Thank you.